In this data set, we've created a Power Query, and we know that we want to get rid of anything that ends with the word total. So I can go in to my Power Query. So there's the column I want to sort out. If I come here, I try to go filters, suddenly we don't have the option of ends with, or begins with, or contains. This is because Power Query is very particular about these types. So the easiest way to do this is to change this type to text. And once you do that, you'll see you now have all the filters available. So we can now say it ends with total, and we can now do what we need to do.